Look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I am back at it with another video. So in today's video, I will be showing y'all how I got this cute one piece out of a t-shirt. Yes, this t-shirt from Walmart. Y'all just thought the brown looked so good. But if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, what's good, what's poppin', so y'all already know what to do. But if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned and continue watching. Hey sis, so we're gonna get right into the video. So this is everything that y'all be needing. Y'all see the Uggs over there, y'all know I made those will be listed down below. So this is the t-shirt, y'all. I got it from Walmart. I thought this brown was so freaking cute, so I'm like, I gotta make something with it. So I got an extra large, a medium, and a small. I only used 2 of them. So y'all, this is Polo. That's my baby, y'all. I love him so much. He always want to be in my way while I'm working. But anyway, so we're gonna go in with the one piece, and y'all, we're gonna go ahead and just start cutting around the one piece. So this is what it should look like. It's cut in half because of course y'all know we use 2 shirts, but right here I am just cutting out a little triangle piece, and we just gonna put that at the top of the one piece to give it some type of little flavor to it, so it don't be super plain. And we're gonna go ahead and sew that down. Y'all, I've been really busy remodeling my living room, and I already did the kitchen. Y'all, I'm gonna list all those down below so y'all can check those out. Y'all, this living room, oh my god, just wait till y'all see it. Your girl snap. It is just me, but this is what it should be looking like. Super dope. I like it. So now I'm gonna turn everything inside out. I pinned it down so it can get ready to sew. So I'm literally just sewing down the sides. And if you're still here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So on this part, this is where I started to connect it. I just literally put one piece over the other piece, then the other piece over the other piece. If you know what I'm saying, because y'all know it was 2 different pieces. But this is what it looked like. I just did a simple straight stitch. So yeah, next part, we're gonna go ahead and sew between the legs. This was a super easy look. I wore it for my actual birthday, and my guy and my best friend actually wore things that I made them for my birthday as well. It was so cute. Check out the birthday vlog so y'all can see that. So yeah, I measured the back, and I just literally just cut in half, which was like about 6 inches. So I cut down about 6 inches as well so I can get into it, because I was gonna put a zipper, but I'm like, no, I don't want to do a zipper. But I used some jeans that I had left over from another project that I did, and I pressed it down for it can be like a little flatter so I can sew it and whatnot. I measured it so I can see where it's gonna go at the top of the one piece, and I forgot to show y'all that I did cut those in half. But right now we're just gonna go ahead and sew those down, and we're gonna connect it after that. And I hope I didn't lose y'all. Pause it if y'all need to. Sorry. So now you want to take the 2 pieces and put them to the right side and literally just sew across. Not a real good view, but this is what it should look like, and this is the final finishing look with the Uggs and all that good stuff. Y'all, I super love it, and this is me styling it. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know how y'all like it. And as you can see, I did put a button on the back of it. Super cute. It woke up the outfit, y'all. I am loving it. Like I said, comment down below and let me know your thoughts on the video. Let me know what y'all want me to make next. And this is all I got for you guys. I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out. Mwah. Peace.